Hello, Sakubona. My name is Bonyo Mdambo and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to learn Ndebele, this is the channel for you. Right, so in this channel we teach Northern Ndebele, also known as Zimbabwean Ndebele. So if that's what you want to learn, just go ahead, look for the video to start with, okay? Look for the playlists. We also have playlists, whether you want to learn pronunciations, whether you want to learn the very beginning of Isindebele, starting from A, E, I, O, U, there is something for you, okay? There's also a playlist about Shona to Ndebele. Right, so if you're Shona speaking and you want to learn, you could start from there. Right, so I hope to see you in the videos. Okay, so if you also want to join a course, I teach Ndebele online on virtual classes, even physically, and also have pre-recorded courses that you can take. Please get in touch using the number that is right here. That's where we can be found on WhatsApp, and let's connect and let's teach you Ndebele. See you next time.